Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of lecture. Censure severely or angrily. Bawl out, berate, call down, call on the carpet, chew out. Deliver a lecture or talk. Did you ever lecture at Harvard? Talk. Teaching by giving a discourse on some subject, typically to a class. Lecturing. A speech that is open to the public. He attended a lecture on telecommunications. Public lecture, talk. A lengthy rebuke. A good lecture was my father's idea of discipline. Speech, talking to.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.